Are you underventilating? How to use Sotair as a real-time guide. Giving a breath with one hand over 1 second every 6 seconds might sound easy, but without feedback, it's hard to know if you're doing it right. You might be giving too little air without even knowing it, especially if you've never seen how long or strong your squeezes really are. That's where Sotair helps. Test your technique with Sotair. Step 1. Build up. Start by squeezing the bag slowly over 1 second. With each breath, squeeze a little faster or harder. Keep going until Sotair activates. You'll feel the bag become rigid, as well as hear and see its valve snap shut. That's your upper limit. You've hit Sotair's flow threshold. Step 2. Find your sweet spot. Start this round with a strong squeeze, enough to activate Sotair. Then, with each corresponding breath, gradually decrease the strength or speed of your squeeze, still delivering each breath over 1 second. As soon as Sotair stops activating, you've found your sweet spot. That means you're likely giving just the right amount of air. Sotair's feedback helps you keep on track. It shows you how to fine-tune your squeeze so you're not giving too much air or too little air with each breath delivered. Tips and takeaways to prevent underventilation with Sotair. Be aware that fatigue increases the risk of underventilation, especially during long periods of manual ventilation. It's also important not to be too cautious while ventilating. If you squeeze the bag too gently or too slowly, well below where Sotair activates, you may not be giving enough air. That's why it's actually helpful to occasionally reach Sotair's activation point. When you do, you'll feel resistance on the bag, hear the valve snap, and see the valve close. That's Sotair telling you you've hit the upper limit. Use this to fine-tune your technique. Aim for ventilation in the sweet spot, just below where Sotair activates for consistent and effective ventilation. And remember the basics. Ventilate with one hand over 1 second every 6 seconds. Lastly, train with objective feedback. Tools like Sotair IQ let you track parameters like tidal volume, inspiratory time, flow rate, and pressure so you can evaluate and improve your technique with precision.